Hearing my story being told by someone else was like amazing.
In this session, I shared a quote by Maya Angelou that says, "There's no greater agony than bearing an untold story inside you."
The story exchange program was pretty amazing because it's about storytelling, and beyond storytelling, it's about connecting as human beings. So for me, it was impactful because of being present for other people.
Initially, when I heard that we had to tell someone else's story, I felt a little shy and a little anxious, and I was like, how can I really honor this person's story? But the environment that was created in that room was very powerful and just gave me the confidence to know that I wasn't being judged.
So telling someone else's story was actually an honor because the other person basically trusted me to tell their stories. I felt very much present to what they were going through or what they went through.
I was a little anxious about sharing my own story, especially in a room full of strangers, people that I had not met before. But after speaking with the people in the room and just feeling encouraged, I really felt motivated to be vulnerable and be open and share a piece of myself that I had been holding private. Through this storytelling experience, I was able to find a theme throughout, and that theme was connection. And so I'm very appreciative that we're able to connect in that room through different stories, and I'm very hopeful going forward that I will use that theme of connection.
I'm trying to be more mindful and to be more present to others. So it's still a journey.